Do you know what nesting seams are? Look at my quilt block that I'm making here. I'm making it out of half square triangles. So, when I piece each row together, I've got a lot of seams on the back. And that's okay, it's intended to be that way. But when I sew these two rows together, you want to make sure that you nest your seams. Now what I mean by that is I'm going to take right sides together, both of these rows, and I'm going to stand this up because I think the camera above me will show that where these intersections meet, my seams on this side go this direction and my seams here go that direction. That's what we want. We want the seams to go in opposite directions. That's called nesting your seams. So when I sew over this, I'm not sewing over all of the bulk and then nothing and all of the bulk. It's kind of spreading out the bulkiness throughout. You'll get much better results that way. So if you're piecing together your quilt blocks, nest your seams, and happy sewing.